Hey everyone, today we're going to be making a comb. It's going to go terribly wrong, but we end up with a product at the end. It's not perfect, it needs refinement, but I'm going to show you how I did this. I'm trying to find products for my first ever market, and combs is kind of one I want to do. To give the bristles strength, I need the bristles to go like this, and I need my fibers to go like this. However, that does not give it strength this way whatsoever. So my plan is to essentially make a strip of wood that's inside of this going this way, which will give it that rigidity the other direction and hopefully stop it from having that snapping in half problem.
So starting off, I'm going to measure up 2 inches and then cut that with my table saw. Don't worry, my fingers are further away than they look. After cutting it to 2 inches, I cut it to about a ½ inch. I do 1 pass on each side and flip it over.
Okay, I need a strip of oak.
My camera angles in this video are something else.
Well, I think I see it. I found it. So now we're going to get into a bit of a tricky spot. I need to hit this directly down the middle. So yeah, this Purpleheart's already starting to bend on me. Straight. Something like this. This is just going to help me hold it there, and so on and so forth. This has nothing to ride on.
You serious?
So I needed a really quick solution. I really should just make a wooden insert for this, but I tried using some painter's tape and it worked not at all. So then I just rigged up my crosscut sled and this actually worked really well and kept all my fingers safe. It was actually a smooth way to do it. Now I'm going to talk about compounding problems because that's essentially what this project ended up being. I had my Purpleheart, which was already starting to bow because it had tons of pressure in it. And then my piece of oak that I cut there was actually too thick. And now when I'm doing all my lines, I can't see them at all. So when I finally go over to my bandsaw and start cutting them out, I did the first couple because I was concentrating hard enough, but then I just couldn't make them out. So I just started guessing, and that's when all of my lines got really messed up.
So I failed this so bad. So sometimes when you're prototyping a project and things are going wrong, you don't necessarily need to give up on the project. And I'm not going to stop working on this project quite yet, even though the bristles look absolutely dumb, because there's still more of the process that I need to make sure I can do. So we're going to try take this thing home. Hopefully it comes out a little bit better than how it seemed.
Right now I'm just adding in the, I guess, bevels for the bristles of it. I really should be wearing a mask here, but I forgot.
Well, the bristles are still super weirdo, but we're closer on that piece of wood. We're gonna see if we can recover this. I don't think we can.
So the last thing that was left for me to do was to trim off that piece of oak and then smooth everything out using the belt sander and then sand it by hand just to get it perfectly not perfect.
Smooth over everything. Oil on it, on the rig, and just spread it around.
A new segment in my videos, product rating. It's my opinion of a project with set metrics. Still a work in progress. If you have any suggestions, put them in the comments below. For time, I'm giving it a 4. It took longer than I thought it would. And complexity, I'm giving it a 2. This was way harder than I thought it would be. For accessibility, I'm giving it a 5. It's a scrap-in project for sure. And for sales, this specific one, I would give it a 1, but I think there's some huge potential here.
We have our comb here that we made. There are some errors. I got this little gap here, no good. Got the same gap on the other side, no good. My brushes are not overly uniform. It needs some work. I need to refine the process. If you look beyond the flaws, it looks really good. My sturdiness plan actually works. Like, I'm putting a fair bit of pressure here. Remember guys, it's not about what you build, it's about building. That's the important part. Just have fun. If there's nothing else, thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next one.